is a journey, not destination. If you want to be the highest, then start from the lowest. Good morning, one and all present here. Myself, Sanidhi Umesh Murimani from 6th Standard A section.
And myself, Rijita Reddy from class 6A.
Before we begin, close your eyes for a moment. Think of a person who loved you even before you were born.
That love asks for nothing. That love expects for nothing. It gives everything. Motherhood, beyond logic and agreements.
Motherhood is not just a decision of mind, but the calling of child's heart.
It is a story of Manjula who worked as cook in house of Dr. Aarti.
Her life had never been happy. She was full of sadness, and her husband was good for nothing. He was irresponsible and contributed nothing to the family.
Manjula had 5 children and struggled every day to place food on the table.
When she became pregnant for the 6th time, her fear replaced hope.
Poverty started.
Exhausted and helpless, she thought of aborting the child and undergo tubectomy.
Believing that this was the only logical way she had.
But Dr. Aarti spoke to Manjula about her sister, who was a wealthy woman but was childless.
Though she had money, comfort, status, her life lived empty.
She waited and waited for the baby's love.
She was desperately searching to adopt a newborn baby.
And Dr. Aarti spoke to Manjula, instead of aborting the baby, why don't you deliver it?
Irrespective of gender, my sister will adopt the baby legally.
However, my sister doesn't live in the city, so you don't have to see the baby's face again.
She will also take care of the education of your other 5 children.
The baby, which is now unwanted and useless, will grow up with love, dignity and multiple opportunities.
Think about it. The choice is yours. I won't insist you.
Manjula thought deeply and deeply for many couple of days.
Finally, with a heavy heart, she agreed.
Months passed. After that, Manjula delivered a newborn girl baby.
On that same day, Dr. Aarti's sister arrived, completing all the formalities.
It was decided that she would take the baby to her home.
Everything was planned.
Everything was correct. Everything made sense.
But when the moment came,
Manjula collapsed in her tears
and said, "Yes, I am poor. Even if I get one handful of rice, I would share with my child."
I know, she's so small, she's so helpless, and she's completely dependent on me.
I know I'm breaking my promise, but I can't give you my child.
Please, forgive me. I cannot live without my child. Let us pause and ask you. Can poverty reduce mother's love? Any answers? That moment changed everything.
Dr. Aarti and his sister.
Yet, watching Manjula weep, they understood that motherhood does not follow constructs. Motherhood does not listen to reasons.
Mother may be weak in society, but strong in her child's pain.
Mother may be poor in wealth, but rich in sacrificing.
As our culture believes,
Janani Janma Bhumi, Swargadapi Garyasi.
It means that mother is superior than the heaven.
Last but not least, this story is not just a note in a book written by Sudha Murthy, but it also conveys a very thought-provoking message. Let us remember that a child's first hope is mother's love.
So, let us value our mothers and respect their struggles.
And never even dare to underestimate the power of mother's love. Thank you.